Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of building $1 million net worth? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to reveal the ultimate guide to building $1 million net worth from scratch. And the best part, you can start today. Step 1. Master your mindset. The first key to building wealth is to believe that you can do it. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Start envisioning yourself as a millionaire. Visualize your success and believe in your ability to achieve it. Step 2. Save and invest. It's time to get serious about your finances. Cut out unnecessary expenses and start saving aggressively. But don't just let your money sit in a bank account. Invest wisely. Diversify your portfolio and explore different investment opportunities such as stocks, real estate, and entrepreneurship. Step 3. Increase your income. It's not just about saving. You also need to increase your earning potential. Look for opportunities to earn more money. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or starting your own business. The key is to diversify your income streams and maximize your earning potential. Step 4. Surround yourself with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on a path to success. Learn from their experiences, get inspired by their achievements, and leverage their network. Step 5. Stay persistent and disciplined. Building wealth takes time and dedication. Stay on track, even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. Stick to your saving and investment plans and resist the temptation of instant gratification. Remember, it's the long-term game that will ultimately lead to your $1 million net worth. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to building $1 million net worth from scratch. Start today and who knows, maybe you'll be the next success story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and inspiration.